Legacy Contracting, Rainier Welding, and Summit Engineering, together with Cohera 3D software, team up to solve a complex bridge restoration project combining 3D scanning technology with bridge building expertise. In this video, we'll share the value of using 3D laser scanning for the repair and rehabilitation of deteriorating bridges. In the past, one or two people and a tape measure were often used to gather dimensions, where today's laser scanning technology is able to gather multiple dimensions when combined with the appropriate software and a team of experienced engineers. Laser scanners can be placed in sketchy areas that are often difficult or risky for human access. In this example, the scanner is securely placed beneath the bridge to scan the lower surfaces such as floor beams, stringers, and the location of connecting bolts or rivets. Here, a scanner is positioned over the side to capture rivet spacing for the lacing bars on the bottom cords. It's a safer approach that doesn't require a person to tie off or reach over the side to gather dimensions. Multiple field verifications are safely taken from inside the office. CAD drawings with necessary dimensions are drawn and checked against original drawings if available. Older bridges are more likely to have rivets that are either missing or have simply rusted away. If this is the case, a statistical analysis across similar structural components may be necessary. Scan data allows a laser scanning specialist to easily measure and compare these measurements to provide reliable and accurate field verifications. Approximately 3,000 field verifications were compiled and placed on multiple CAD drawings for shop fabrication. Using the scan data to field verify steel fabrication drawings, combined with CNC programming, steel components are precision manufactured and delivered to the job site for installation by the crew.